Have you ever told yourself, "I'll do it tomorrow"? Or said, "There's still time, I can start later"? Be careful, because these small delays can silently destroy your future. Time is the only thing that never comes back once it's gone. Today's story will show you why you must value your time before it's too late. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a boy named Rashid. Rashid was very intelligent. His teachers always said, "This boy has a bright future." But Rashid had one big problem. He wasted his time. Instead of studying or learning new things, he spent hours on his phone, watching useless videos, scrolling without purpose, and playing games late into the night. His parents warned him again and again, "Rashid, time is precious. If you waste it now, one day you will regret it." But Rashid always laughed and said, "Oh, I still have plenty of time. I can study later." Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And soon, the day of his final exams arrived. When the results were announced, everyone was shocked. Rashid, the once top student, was now at the bottom of the class. His teachers were disappointed. His friends started to avoid him. When Rashid came home, he saw his parents holding his report card. They didn't say a single word, but their faces were full of sadness and disappointment. That silence hurt Rashid deeply. He thought, "I used to be good at studying. What went wrong?" Feeling lost, Rashid went to speak with his grandfather, a wise man respected by everyone in town. "Grandpa," he said, "I don't understand. I'm not foolish, but I still failed. Why?" His grandfather smiled gently and replied, "Rashid, your problem is not intelligence. Your problem is that you didn't value your time." Rashid frowned. "But Grandpa, can't I just study later?" His grandfather shook his head slowly. "No, my child. Time is like sand in your hands. Once it slips away, you can never hold it again." Then his grandfather began to tell him a story. "There was once a man named Sami Khan," he said. "In his youth, Sami worked very hard. He was dedicated, disciplined, and focused. Because of his hard work, he built a big company and became very rich. But after he became successful, Sami stopped valuing his time. He woke up late. He delayed important work. He wasted hours scrolling through social media. His advisor warned him, 'Sami, you're wasting your most precious gift, time. If you don't change now, your company will collapse.' But Sami laughed and said, 'I have enough time. I'll fix things later.' Months passed. The company's profits started to fall. His competitors moved ahead. His investors pulled their money out. And one day, Sami found himself sitting alone in an empty office. He had lost everything: his company, his wealth, his reputation. And at that moment, Sami finally understood his biggest mistake. He hadn't lost money. He had lost time. And once time was gone, so was his chance to fix anything. When his grandfather finished the story, Rashid sat silently. Something inside him changed. He thought, "I don't want to become like Sami. I must change right now." His grandfather placed his hand on Rashid's shoulder and said softly, "That's the right decision, my son. If you respect time, nothing can stop you." From that day on, Rashid changed his life. He made a strict routine for his studies. He spent less time on games and useless videos. He focused on his education with full energy. Day by day, his grades improved. Step by step, he regained his position at the top of the class. Years later, Rashid became a successful entrepreneur. His disciplined life inspired many people, but Rashid never forgot his grandfather's words. Time is life. If you waste time, you waste yourself. So, my friend, if you also keep saying, "I'll do it later," then remember Rashid, remember Sami, because later may never come. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs this reminder. And don't forget to subscribe to Tales by Novira for more simple, powerful, and life-changing stories.